Shrtfly review. Can you make money here by shorting links and sharing them? Okay, is it a scam or legit? Okay, but first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Now let's talk about Shrtfly. So the platform says that you can shorten links and make money. This is not this one. That's a red flag here. I'm gonna show you some of the red flags about this website that I found that I won't even recommend for you guys to sign up to create your own free account here, because there are some red flags that I don't like about this website. The way that they claim that you can make a lot of money just by sharing some links, shorting links here, meaning that per 1,000 clicks, 1,000 viewers, visitors on your links, you will earn $20. That's a red flag, and this company, they will never pay you this kind of money. And also this kind of payment proof that they are showing us, these are the fake payment proof. So I wouldn't even recommend for you guys to use this kind of website if you want to make money online here, because you never get paid and they will never get back to you whenever you try to reach out to them. So I did try this kind of website in the past, so I know how they works. Okay, so they say create an account and then use online tool to start sharing, stringing your links, and get paid every person who visit your links. So the way it works is that you're gonna use shorten links, and also if someone click on a link, let's say that you want to redirect someone maybe to google.com, and what's gonna happen is that this website is gonna give this person some pop-ups, different banners. That's how they make money, not you. So they say that per 1,000 views you earn $22. You will earn $22. Like, everyone on the internet can be rich, so it is not true. For Greenland, for USA, you will earn $12. United Kingdom will earn $10. For, like, this means that when people click on a link in these countries, maybe you got 1,000 people in Greenland, you will earn $22. You got 1,000 people in United States, you will earn $12. So these are the countries here. This is a red flag, guys. I wouldn't recommend you. Do not allow this company that they pay you. They will never pay this kind of money to you guys. So do not waste your time. If you check the payment proof, this is the fake payment proof. This payment is not been verified, so you can do it on your so look at this one. They say this person they earn $335. The person earned $97. The person earned $10. This is the fake payment. You see, this is fake. This is fake, guys. This is fake. I won't even recommend for you to waste your time here on this kind of website, because you never get paid. Trust me, I have been there. So do not waste your time here. But if you want my number one recommendation to make money online without wasting your time on this kind of fake website, I've been failing for 4 years. I've been failing for 4 years. For 4 years, I tried this kind of website, wasting my time. I never made any money. They never paid me until I found high ticket affiliate marketing that allows me to earn over $1,000 per sale. Okay, and also if you want to get access to that training, that helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job and have financial freedom, click the link down below in the description of this video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you sharp.